had written. Now, had written is going to become here, will
I
have.
will had.
Will be after will, always you'll have no has or no had. Will have written. Now, have been writing. Had been writing. Will have been writing. Look at that. This is what we exactly did on the Thursday. Look at this. This is active voice, right? I write a letter. I am writing a letter. I have written a letter. I have been writing a letter. I wrote a letter. I was writing a letter. I had written a letter. I had been writing a letter. I will write a letter. I will be writing. I will have written. I will have been writing. Now I want to give you one revision here. How are we going to do? Write, wrote, written, writing, writes. Now, instead of I write a letter, I'm going to go with I see a picture. I see a picture. Instead of write, I'm going to give a see. How is it going to change? See here. What is going to be here?
I saw.
I saw. What is going to be here?
I seen.
No, here. Cursor.
I will see. I will see.
I will say very good. Here.
I
I
am
am
seeing.
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 I'm seeing. See the
Seeing.
writing becomes seeing. Here.
I was seeing.
I was seeing. Very nice. Here.
I will be seeing.
I will be seeing. Here.
I have
I
seen.
have seen.
I have seen. So that is the one, the 5 forms. You have to be thorough with it.
See, see, seen, sees.
Look at that. I have seen here.
I had seen.
I had seen here.
I will have seen.
I will have seen here.
I have
I
been
will have been
seeing.
seeing.
I have been seeing very good here.
I had
I had
been
been seeing.
seeing.
Super. Here.
I will have been seeing.
Super. That's all. So the 12 active voice, you just after all the 5 forms, you should be able to get it. Yesterday, what we did is, there is one more thing we did. The signal words. Look at this. First one is I write daily. I am writing now. Look at that. I have written several times. You remember Vinay, we talked about it. I have been writing for 10 years. I wrote yesterday. I was writing then. I had written already. I had been writing from 2010 to 2020. I will write tomorrow. Look at that, how I am writing. I will be writing then, that time. I will have written by, I'll be writing same time tomorrow. I will have written by 5 p.m. tomorrow. I will have been writing for 10 years by end of tomorrow. You remember all this what we did? You remember? That's the signal words, right? The signal words I did it in a different way here. Look at that. Look at that. Daily, now, many times for 10 years. I must have done it everywhere. Look at that. Daily, every day, yesterday, tomorrow, this time tomorrow by 5 p.m. We had everything, right? I will download this Excel and give it to you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, every class you have to go back and revise it. Then only you will remember, because we have done so much on this.
Okay.
Once you are thorough with this material, active voice all the 12, we can jump into passive voice.
Okay.
So when you come tomorrow, make sure that you have gone through all the 5 forms here. Then how we put it in 12 different ones. Look at that, we have put it in 12 different ones. Everything is there. And class 3, that is today's class. We taught this. All right. So 1, 2, 3, and you have a 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I'm going to quickly touch upon the passive voice. That was the revision. Very quickly, last 30 minutes, I want to check it out. And tomorrow also we need to do this, because I want you to come out with thoroughly with this. Look at that. First 4 alone I'll do. I write a letter. I write a letter. This is going to be a letter. Look at that. So this is subject. This is object. This is verb. Everything is going to change, but the meaning will not change. So this is active, all the 12 we took. Now the passive we are going to look into for all the actives. I write a letter. Letter comes as the subject here. Look at that. Here in the active, I is a subject. A letter is an object. But in the passive, look at this. This is passive. Carefully look at this. The subject is changing. Here object becomes here. Look at that. Object becomes, I becomes by me. By me. Remember this. This is active. This is passive. I becomes, see, I moves to the right. I moves to the object as by me. A letter moves to the subject as a letter itself. Okay. Now, careful. I write a letter. Now you have it, right? Look at that. Look at the first 4 alone, we'll take it. Don't miss it. I am writing. We know it. Have written. Have been writing. Look at this. These four alone, the present. We know it's all present. Look at this. I write, I am writing, I have written, I have been writing. A letter, the same way it is going to go here. A letter by me. Okay, only the verb we have to fix it very carefully, we have to fix it. Write is going to be, see, one thing with this one is very easy. Everything here becomes,
Note.
everything becomes written, everything becomes V3. Only supporting verb, right? This is the main verb. Only supporting verb, you have to make a change. Very, very, very simple. When I look at this, everywhere the common things I have listed. Passive form, active, we know. Out of the 12, we have taken 4. Okay. After the 4, remaining 8 is very easy. Look at this. I write a letter becomes a letter is written by me. Look at this, Vinay.
Okay.
Subject is changing, object is changing, verb is also changing, but meaning will not change. I write a letter is same as a letter is written by me. Only we have told it in the passive form. Meaning is same. Okay, only meaning is same. Now look at that. Here you are going to add is being. The first one is, another one is being. Second one is has been. Look at that. A letter has been. The fourth one, look at that, has been being. What all I added, look at that. Same written, written is going to be everywhere. Look at that. I am adding only that, every place. Has been being. So the pink color ones are supporting verbs we have added. Now, whenever you have two be verbs, look at this. In English, they won't use it. Even though I have derived it, they won't use it. Okay, look at this here. I wrote a letter. I wrote. Now, a letter is written by me. How is it going to change? Look at this. What I am trying to do, look at this. A letter is written by me. Now, how is it going to change? I write a letter, I wrote a letter. A letter is written by me, a letter, what is going to change? This is a past tense. Easy.